If you own a PSP or thinking to buy one in 2019, then you need to watch this. The Sony PSP 3000 was the second redesign of the once popular PlayStation Portable handheld gaming device. The PSP 3000 was released in October 2008 with better color than its predecessor. Improved sound output and built-in Skype made it special. It was sold until 2011 when the Sony launched the Vita, and then it really faded away. So I have the PSP 2008 version here right on my hand, and as you can see, the look and feel is really good. Like, you get that retro feeling when you enjoy it, or you use it on the go. I feel that this has a very good build quality when we think about the time it was released. So before talking about its uses and where you can buy, I wanna dive into the specs. P3000 comes with the PSP CPU, which is clocked at 333 MHz, and it has a main memory of 64 MB with a display of 4.3 inches diagonally, 16:9 aspect ratio. It has a built-in stereo speakers. It has a Wi-Fi, high-speed USB 2.0 memory stick, and an analog video out. It has an analog video out. I mean, that's really good. Microphone main connectors is that you can have a 5-volt charger with it, USB connector, battery of 1200 mAh capacity, which is good for this handheld gaming device. When we think of back in that 28, that is how it feels. Now people play much better games on mobile phones, which we can say that the latest smartphones have really replaced PSPs. I felt that PSP kind of a good thing to own in 2019, or if you already own one, then that is really good, because I would probably say the different reason to buy or you have to keep it with you is that if you have a siblings and you want to enjoy with them, you need this device. Okay, there might be new friends coming to your house, or your far relatives coming to your house, and they might honor you for asking your phone, or they just want to play and enjoy on your PC. So you don't like that. In that times, you can use this PSP to give for them and let them enjoy, so that you no need to think of your PC and no need to get afraid of them. Or you want to gift anyone a good device, suppose you can gift a mobile phone directly, but just think the mobile phone is of another level, and they can get into many problems if they own one. So if you want to give a child a gift, a gaming device, and an affordable one, means PSP is the good option. Still, you can find a better deals on, you can find even a used one, in a good condition, so that you can really enjoy. But still, if you wanna experience a traditional handheld gaming, then I would probably suggest PSP, because once if you are a gamer, you need to experience this. I really felt happy, that retro feel you're gonna get when you play games on it. You really get that pleasure of that retro feel of that gaming. That's why, even for on-the-go gaming and offline media consumption during long journeys, it's really useful. Suppose you are going to a long journey where your phone might get dead. These days it never happens, but still, if you want a much enhanced gaming experience, then okay, more than that, if you wanna play a God of War on the go, then PSP is the only option for you. And if you are also a God of War fan like me, just let me know in the comment section. The thing is, you have a PSP, you own it, but if you want to gift it for someone, where can you find? You can find a deal on eBay or any locally used resellers, or if you are residing in India, then you can check them on OLX or Quicker and grab one for yourself and gift it. So I feel these are the things you can do with PSP. If you feel this video helpful, then you know what to do. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Yadu here, signing off.